Welcome to all students of class 6 in my online classes of science. Children, there are some nutrients that we require in very low or tiny quantity in our body to function properly. These are vitamins and minerals. Now, I will tell you about the vitamins. Vitamins are necessary in a very tiny quantity for our body, so these are called micronutrients, and these are very necessary for the functions our body properly. They are called micronutrients. These are of many types: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and many more. A, B, C, D, E, and K. You can see in this slide vitamin E. What happened to vitamin E, F, G, H? Vitamin E, F, G, H, etc. also exist but have neither very little use to us or are called by other names. For example, vitamin F is found in fish, banana, nuts, mainly a type of fat. Hence, it is not called vitamin F but a different name. Same is in the case of other vitamin H, I, J, etc. Now, I want to tell you about deficiency. What is deficiency? Deficiency is a lack of something. Now, we will discuss about the deficiency diseases. The lack of food items containing micronutrients in our diet can cause problem in our body. Means अगर हमारे शरीर में माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स की कमी हो जाए तो हमें विभिन्न प्रकार की बीमारियां हो जाती हैं. इन्हें डिफिशियंसी डिजीजेज या मालन्यूट्रिशन भी कहते हैं. Now we will discuss about a case study. You can see in olden days when sailors went on long journey, they carried food with them to eat on the ship. They made sure to pack food items that they needed and liked, such as rice, vegetable, meat, nut, sweets, etc. सारी चीज़ें वो ले जाते थे ताकि उन्हें किसी चीज़ की कमी ना हो. After few weeks, they realized that their wounds were not healing properly. उन्होंने ये महसूस किया कि उनके अच्छे से घाव नहीं हील हो रहे हैं और उनके दांतों में ब्लीडिंग भी होने लगी है. You can see in the slide. Now, what do you think did the sailor face this problem? Symptoms are the bleeding gums, wound not healing properly. Now, after analyze the case, diet, grain, carbohydrate, vegetable, fiber and minerals, nuts, meat, protein, water, vitamins are missing are there. The main thing is vitamins are missing there. So, based on the symptoms and diet analysis, this could be a case of scurvy. This could be the case of scurvy. Scurvy is the deficiency diseases of vitamin C. So, deficiency diseases can cure through medicine, but prevention is always better than cure. Now, we will discuss about the water. How is it very important? 60% of our body is water. 60 to 70%. The brain is composed of 70% water, lungs 80%, muscles contain 70%, heart 70%, and heart structure like bones have 30% of water. Is important for our sweat, urine and bowel movement. Bowel, BOWEL, bowel means intestine. So, it is very important. What are the functions? Water helps us absorb nutrients from food. हमारा हमारा शरीर जो है वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स को सॉल्युबल फॉर्म में लेता है. सो वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट आल्सो हेल्प in remove waste and other toxins from our body. And right temperature, it also maintains right temperature and pressure of our body. हमें कितना पानी पीना चाहिए? 2.2 to 3.7 लीटर is must. Now we will discuss about the nutrient roughage or fiber. Roughage is a fiber, is the part of food that can't be digested by our food. It helps to make our food bulky. It can't be digested but important for the bowel movement and makes us feel full and satisfied. Fiber is present in fresh vegetables and fruits. Most whole grains have a lot of fiber too. Fiber also we can get from the oranges and bananas, and processed food like chips, candies, biscuit do not have fibers. So we should not eat too much. These are bad for health.